Welcome to Top 5 Pics. Today, we're diving into the world of portable cooking with the top 5 best butane stoves of 2025. Whether you're a camper, a hiker, or someone who loves a good backyard barbecue, these butane stoves are must-haves. But what makes them stand out? From affordability to power-packed performance, we've got it all covered. So buckle up as we take you on a fiery journey through the best butane stoves the market has to offer. Number 1. Gas One GS-3400P Propane, 5th place. Starting off at number 5, we have the Gas One GS-3400P Propane Butane Stove. Now what makes this one special? It's all about versatility. This dual-fuel stove can run on both butane and propane, giving you flexibility for various situations. Let's talk design. The GS-3400P is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for camping trips or even emergency use. It's equipped with an adjustable heat dial, so whether you're simmering a stew or boiling water for your coffee, it's got you covered. And guess what? Safety is a priority here. With its built-in pressure sensor and automatic shut-off system, you can cook with peace of mind. If you're looking for affordability without sacrificing quality, the Gas One GS-3400P is a great entry-level choice. Number 4. Iwatani 35 FW Portable Butane Stove, 4th place. Coming in at number 4 is the Iwatani 35 FW Portable Butane Stove, and boy does this one bring the heat. Literally. This stove is known for its high heat output reaching up to 15,000 BTUs. That's enough power to cook almost anything, whether you're whipping up a quick stir-fry or grilling some veggies. The burner is made of brass, which ensures durability and consistent heating. What's more, it's designed with a wind guard, so even in breezy conditions, the flame stays strong. If you're someone who values performance and durability, the Iwatani 35 FW is a fantastic choice for your outdoor adventures or even indoor hot pot nights. Number 3. Camp Chef Mountain Series Butane Stove, 3rd place. At number 3, we have the Camp Chef Mountain Series Butane Stove. Now, this one's for the adventurers out there. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek and rugged design. Built for the outdoors, the Mountain Series stove is incredibly portable and features an ignition system that works flawlessly even at high altitudes. One standout feature is its efficient heat distribution. It might not have the highest BTUs on this list, but it makes up for it with even cooking performance. Plus, the sturdy build ensures it can withstand rough conditions. If you love hiking, camping, or just want a reliable stove for your adventures, the Camp Chef Mountain Series is the way to go. Number 2. Coleman Portable Butane Stove, 2nd place. Taking the second spot is the Coleman Portable Butane Stove, a name synonymous with outdoor gear. Coleman has been a trusted brand for years, and this butane stove is no exception. First off, the build quality is impeccable. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to carry around but durable enough for repeated use. The burner puts out 10,000 BTUs of heat, which is perfect for most outdoor cooking needs. What sets the Coleman stove apart is its easy-to-clean design. The surface is coated to prevent food from sticking, making post-meal cleanup a breeze. And let's not forget safety. With its reliable ignition system and safety shutoff, it's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Coleman's legacy shines bright with this fantastic product. Number 1. Chefmaster 90019 Butane Stove, 1st place. Finally, at number 1, we have the Chefmaster 90019 Butane Stove. And let me tell you, this one is a true masterpiece. This stove combines power, precision, and portability, making it the ultimate choice for any cooking scenario. With a heat output of 15,000 BTUs, it's the most powerful stove on our list. Whether you're searing a steak or boiling water in record time, this stove delivers. The Chefmaster 90019 also comes with a built-in wind guard and adjustable heat controls, ensuring perfect results every time. And let's talk about safety. It features an automatic safety shutoff system that activates if the pressure gets too high. If you're looking for the best overall butane stove of 2025, the Chefmaster 9019 is the clear winner. It's powerful, efficient, and built to last. And there you have it, the top 5 best butane stoves of 2025. Let's quickly recap. At number 5, the Gas One GS-3400P for its dual-fuel versatility. At number 4, the Iwatani 35FW for its high heat output. At number 3, the Camp Chef Mountain Series for its outdoor ruggedness. At number 2, the Coleman Portable Butane Stove for its reliability and ease of use. And at number 1, the Chefmaster 90019 for its unbeatable performance and safety. Which of these stoves caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow adventurers, and subscribe to Top 5 Pics for more awesome content. Until next time, happy cooking and happy adventuring.